2026 BCom students, at least just don't do your graduation and get a job of 3 to 4 lakhs and do a back-end work. This year, please resolve to be a CPA or a CMA or a EA. I'll start with CPA first because like we have the Chartered Accountants of India, US Chartered Accountant is known as CPA. It is only 4 exam guys. Not much efforts can be completed in less than almost 8 months. If you see that the 4 subjects of CPA are FAR, audit, regulation, and then you have ISC, TCP and BAR, you have a choice. Let's go step by step. ISC, TCP and BAR, these are the 3 books. Out of these 3, you should select one. And along with that, you have 3 core papers of CPA. First is financial accounting reporting, which is nothing but US accounting. Then you have taxation, which is nothing but US tax. Then you have auditing, which deals with US auditing. And then if your passion is accounting, then you might select business analysis and reporting, which is advanced accounting. If your passion is audit, then you might select ISC as your discipline. If your passion is tax compliance and planning, then you might select TCP as your discipline, which is your advanced tax subject. So you need to decide where your specialization is and then you can complete the exam itself. Now if you see that 4 papers, less than 8 months and getting a job of 12 lakhs per annum and getting a global qualification like CPA is a huge achievement in itself. So this year 2026, you have to pass this exam at any cost. We at Samundar Education are one of the India's largest CPA training providers. We have placed thousands of students at 12 lakhs per annum packages. Lot of our students have achieved 95s and 96. In fact, we are the only institute which has 6 world toppers who have scored 95.5 out of 99 in CPA exams. So they are known as the Elijah Watsels Award winners. So why are you waiting for? Get ready with one of the top institute in the country which is teaching the US CPA. With so many US companies coming to India because of the shortage of talent, this is a time to do the US CPA course. Thank you so much for watching.